Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how to log into your Cash App account on a new phone. Make sure to watch the video till the end to catch all the details. If you're logging into your Cash App account on a new phone, it doesn't matter whether it's an old account or a new one. First, launch the Cash App on your new phone. Once the app loads, you'll see the login screen. You have two options to log in. You can use your phone number or tap the Use Email option. For this example, let's go ahead and use the email method. Enter your email address and tap Next. Cash App will send a verification code to your email. Open your email, find the message from the Cash App and copy the code. Then go back to the Cash App, paste the code and tap Next. And that's it. You'll be successfully logged into your Cash App account on your new phone. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.